something important I forgot to mention in the previous video. Once you've worked out your velocity vector function, once you work this out, this thing here will be a vector. This thing here will be a vector, and the vector will always be in the direction of the motion. So the particle is moving like this. The vector will always be the tangent to that motion. So it will always be the tangent to that motion. It will always be the tangent. And let's try and understand why. Let's try and go back to our examples. So remember, in the previous video, our example, the car moving in a straight line, 10 meters in 2 seconds. So the speed or the velocity is in this direction. It will be 10 over 2 meters per second in this direction. So let's say the yacht is trying to get across here. The final movement of the yacht will be in this direction here. But then if you break it down, it will be 10 over 2 in the x direction, but then there's also a speed in the y direction. Combining the two, the velocity will be in this direction. So it's always in the direction of the movement of the particle. So if this bolt, the movement of this bolt will be from here to here, and the velocity will always be in that direction. And then if you look at our plane, there's an x element to the speed, there's a y element to the speed, and there's a vertical element to the speed. Combining all three together, it will be in the direction of the movement of this aeroplane. Okay, so the important part is that the velocity vector function will always be the tangent to the path of the particle. Okay.